In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best Stockman knife available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best Stockman knife, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents top 5 best Stockman knife. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Elk Ridge Outdoors Manual Knife. Made from quality materials. 3CR13 satin finish clip point, sheep's foot and spay fine edge blades provide an excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance. Ultimate in-hand comfort and feel with ergonomic, easy-to-hold handles and grips that deliver a great fit in a gloved or unloved hand. 2-inch clip point, sheep's foot and spay fine edge blades, 2.75 inches closed. Where the outdoors meets the gentleman's carry. Number 4. Stockman Pocket Knife. Orders typically ship the next business day. Your choice of text is professionally and permanently laser engraved into one side of the wood handle. The Stockman features 3 blades, 2.5-inch drop point, 2 sheep's foot, and a 1.5 spay blade. Real wood on both sides of the handle with polished steel bolsters. 3.5-inch long when closed, weighs 2 ounces. Well made and heavy duty. Versatile and performs several tasks. Number 3. Case Large Amber Bone CV Knife. Chrome vanadium steel blades, clip, sheepfoot, and spay blade, peach seed jigged amber bone handle. Great pocket knife for everyday situations, the outdoors, hunting, and hiking. Length, 4.25 inches closed and 4.1 ounces. Limited lifetime warranty. Well made and heavy duty. Versatile and performs several tasks. Quality hard shell sheath. Safety features. Edge performance. Performance grip. Number 2. WR Case XXCA 9721 Pocket Knife. Stainless steel clip, sheepfoot, and spay. The clip blade is commonly used as a multi-purpose blade, preferred for detail work, and is a great to use in the field. The clip blade is ideal for cutting and slicing as well. The sheepfoot blade is great for projects around the house or the outdoors. The spay blade is a common all-purpose utility blade that can tackle everyday tasks as well as some light whittling. Our folding Stockman knives come in 3 different sizes. Number 1. Imperial IMP 16S Knife. 5.9-inch overall length, with a blade length of 2.5 inches and a weight of 1.9 ounces. Blade is made of reliable 3CR13 MOVSS, with a gray swirl POM handle, stainless steel bolsters and brass pins. Quick and easy access with nail pulls on every blade. Have confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of heat-treated back springs. Knife features a clip point, sheep's foot, and spay blade. Traditional folders. Well made and heavy duty.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.